Gridwise app review. Is it legit or a scam? Let's get started. So what is Gridwise? It is a mobile app designed for gig economy workers like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Instacart, GoPuff, and others. It tracks mileage, earnings, demand, airports, events, fuel savings, and provides analytics to help drivers optimize their schedules and reduce tax burdens. So, here's its strengths and why it's legit. It offers a multi-platform support. It even has the mileage tracking tool, demands on sites, free core tier plus optional plus plan, and high legitimacy ratings. As you can see right here, they have at least 4.9 and 4.4 in Google Play. They also have some offers but they have limitations and common complaints. So the earnings and mileage doesn't have a sync, so it has some issues as well with syncing. They also have account and access problems. The subscription has a bait and switch as well, and they have privacy concerns over data sharing. They also have unresponsive support. So, it recommends using the multi-app gig drivers who want consolidated earnings and mileage tracking for tax reporting. It's also recommended for drivers in metro areas who can benefit from airport data, event graphs, and demand prediction. But in conclusion, Gridwise is legitimate and feature-rich tool for gig economy drivers. It delivers value in mileage tracking, trip analytics, and demand forecasting.